The coronavirus could have infected the American population much earlier than what is being reported. Officially, the first case of COVID-19 was reported in America on the 21st of January. But new facts have come to light, suggesting that the virus could have been spreading in America since December last year. Results of two Californians who lost their lives in early and mid-February show that both had been infected with the coronavirus. This is much before the first case in the country was reported. A 57-year-old woman died in her residence in Northern California's Santa Clara County on the 6th of February. On the 17th of February, a 69-year-old man, resident of the same locality, died at his home. Both had displayed flu-like symptoms. Their autopsy report was released earlier this week. It confirmed they were positive for the coronavirus. And this now makes them the first COVID-19 related deaths in the United States. Previously, the first COVID-19 death was believed to have happened on the 29th of February. Dr. Ashish Jha, director of the Harvard Global Health Institute, says the findings are significant. He says that someone who died of the virus on the 6th of February would have contracted the infection in early to mid-January. Remember, the incubation period, that is the required period for the virus to start showing symptoms in the patient, is at least 14 days. Dr. Sarah Cody, Santa Clara's chief medical officer, confirmed meanwhile that both the deceased had no significant travel history. The presumption now is that each had contracted the virus through community transmission. Joining the dots and tracing the timeline, it is estimated that the virus first came into the United States in December. The California Governor Gavin Newsom has asked the medical examiners to review all the deaths in the state as far back as December. He has asked them to dig even deeper, quote unquote, and conduct autopsies on people who might have died from the coronavirus long before the illness was known about in America. The state of Indiana is also attempting to trace back cases to mid-February. The state reported its first death on the 16th of March. The date has now been revised to the 10th of March. As more deaths are now being investigated, more insight into what exactly happened and when exactly the U.S. began to see the coronavirus rise is likely to be understood. This also raises speculation that several asymptomatic cases and COVID-19 related deaths in America went unreported. The U.S. has till now reported close to 55,000 COVID-19 deaths, accounting for 1/4 of the global death toll.